Sarah Hoggle, just 2 and 3 when they disappeared 3 years ago in Germantown. Montgomery County Police searched, but they never said what happened to them. Well, today we finally got some answers.
So their mother, Catherine, has been indicted on murder charges for the deaths of her 2 kids. Police have long considered her a prime suspect, and today she said very little in a courtroom as she faced those new charges. Our Peggy Fox was there.
The murder charges do not mean there's any new evidence in the case. The state filed the charges in order to keep her locked up. Even her own attorney believes she's a danger. How much do you miss your grandchildren? A mixture of grief and anguish for the family, not knowing what happened to 2-year-old Jacob and 3-year-old Sarah. Why would a mother kill her children?
Evilness. People don't know. She was leaving Troy. See, that was the key. And her main thing is sick with control. That's her biggest sickness. So she did not want him to have the kids.
In September of 2014, the children's mother, Catherine Hoggle, told Montgomery County Police that she left her children with a friend, but she's never said who or where. The children's father, Troy Taylor, believes she knows exactly what happened.
Catherine Hoggle has murdered my children, and I hope Sarah and Jacob get the justice they deserve. I have held out hope that something else may have happened, as I think that any parent under these circumstances would. But it has always been a faint hope, and I know now with the passage of time that Catherine killed my babies.
Mental health professionals have repeatedly found Hoggle not competent to stand trial. She'd been diagnosed with paranoid schizophrenia before the children disappeared. You want answers?
We want answers, exactly.
You want to know what happened to them?
Exactly. We want to know what happened to them. Whatever the case may be, we need some sort of closure.
Hoggle was charged with misdemeanor child neglect, abduction, and hindering law enforcement. Because state law required those charges be dismissed in 3 years, the state's attorney filed felony murder charges. The state can keep Catherine Hoggle locked up for 5 years while they try to restore her competency. If she remains incompetent in 5 years, she may have to be released. In Rockville, Peggy Fox, WUSA 9.
Now, Catherine Hoggle's mother tells us she doesn't think that her daughter killed the children, but knows what happened to them, and her daughter refuses to see her. So what